Hello guys, before we get started, this is Attractions Magazine's clip that I'm borrowing. So yeah, today we're going to review another Intamin coaster at Cedar Point that I've ridden, and that is Maverick. It is an Intamin Blitz coaster in a style of like Cheetah Hunt and others. So today that's what we'll be reviewing, Maverick, this pretty red roller coaster. So we'll just share my overall thoughts and what I thought of the ride and stuff. And to kick things off, let's start on the review. Starting off with the layout itself, according to Maverick's layout, it looks like a fun roller coaster. Not gonna lie, it's twisty. It has, looks like it has a lot of inversions, though I think it only has two. The ride itself is smooth, and I don't have any complaints that it's rough. And those Intamin trains do look unique. And the restraints that you usually see on that ride are just these vest restraints that you usually see. And technically, it is a fun roller coaster. That 90-degree drop may be intense for people, and some people may black out on that first drop. But technically, it was pretty fun. This ride is really cool and stuff, and we'll get to the ride experience itself. So as you leave the station, you will then go to this SLM launch lift hill. So you go pretty fast on this one, so you don't have time to look left or right. So, but you could, but just not enough time. Then you go to this 90-degree drop. This is really cool. If you're sitting at the back, you may get ejected out of your seat. It's really cool. And you go to these twisty turns, just go in this zigzag turns, and you finally get this first floater airtime hill. And then you do another turn, and you flip upside down into a 0G roll, and you do some turns again, another 0G roll, but in the other direction, another turn. So yeah, and then you finally slow down, and sometimes you just go straight through the launch. The last time I rode this, you just go straight at it, and it was totally pitch dark in there. It was really fast. You don't exactly know what's in there. You can't see a thing. Then you launch out of the tunnel, and you go to the straight bit, and you finally turn over the water, and you kind of go to that low to the ground thing, and you go sideways, which you get sideways airtime on that, and another wave turn, another ejector airtime hill, and you do this turn around, and you finally hit the brakes. It is a fun ride, I'm not gonna lie. I enjoyed it so much, though I do like the color scheme on this coaster. It really pops. So overall thoughts on Maverick, is a fun roller coaster. I'm not gonna lie. If you first visit Cedar Point, please head over to Maverick. This is pretty cool. I wouldn't say it would be your first ride of the park, but it could be potentially your last ride of the day. You could ride this during sunset. It's pretty cool too. So yeah, this ride has a couple of ejector airtime and some floater airtime on this, and it was totally really cool. I love the ride. If I ever have one thing to say about this coaster, it's comfy, it's enjoyable. Well, technically, the definition of this coaster is just fun. That's all. Again, with the coaster, I do like it. Probably rate it like about 7, because it's comfy and it's intense, and it's just lots of cool moments on the coaster. It's also have some airtime in it, and technically people love airtime, and it doesn't seem like Maverick focused on inversions. It looks like it mostly focused on like ejector airtime and these bank turns, but for me I feel like it's more focused on ejector airtime than inversions. But there isn't too many Intamin Blitz that are built out there. There's only Cheetah Hunt, and then Maverick, which is this one that I'm reviewing. But there's not really too many Intamin Blitz out there, at least in the United States. I wish they built more. But Intamin is known for its downtime and maintenance issues, so there are probably a lot of parks that don't really attempt to buy them. So yeah, I mean, Intamin's still pretty cool. I mean, the track looks really unique, the track type that they use. So yeah, apparently parks don't really want to buy them that much anymore because of the maintenance costs and downtime they have. But other than that, Maverick is pretty cool and fun. And I wish I can ride it again and go back there, but don't think so. But it was a pretty cool ride. So yeah, I do love the trains on this. So yeah, really cool coaster. Let me guys know if you've ridden this coaster yet, and what you thought of it. If you hate it or you loved it. For me, I personally love the coaster. So anyway, post your comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next. Peace out.